In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the hood latch cable on your Nissan Altima. Remove the 5 21mm lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws on the back side of the wheel well. And there is one more that goes straight up under. Remove the splash guard molding. There's going to be one clip for our fender liner. Move the clips off the end fender liner. One up here. Pull the liner out. And peel it back. Remove the 2 10mm bolts for the airbox. That out of the way. It's going to be 4 clips on top of the grill. Remove all 4 of them. Our car only has 2. That makes it so you can lift the grill up and it's kind of flexible. Remove the 3 12mm bolts on the hood latch. Using a trim tool, remove the clips. For this harness. And we're going to remove the clips for the cable going up the side. And there's one more behind the headlight. Spread these apart and remove them from the cable. We're going to use these later. Pull the latch forward. We're going to push this cable forward, and then there's a little slot in the back where you're going to push this cable down and then up. Just using a little pick tool. Leave the latch right here. Push the cable out through the back. There's a little bracket in here. Push in, and then it'll pull right out. And then push it into the wheel well. Remove the 2 10mm bolts on the latch inside of the car. Give the cable a pull. Using either the old cable, a metal coat hanger, or something bendy, go through the hole in the fender where the grommet was, put it through, and then tape the new cable to that. to the outside. Pull the wire that you attached it to through the firewall. Then go ahead and untape it from your cable. Remove all the tape and pull your cable all the way through until you hit the grommet. Then you want to seat the grommet in the fender wall, just like that. Grab the latch assembly and install your two 10mm bolts. Snug those down. Put your hand right here, right under this headlight bracket, and we're going to end up pushing the cable through the fender, up and out, and you'll be able to grab it with your hand right here. Pull the cable through. We're going to go around into the hole right next to the hood latch. Put it through the other side and you can pull it out. Grab your hood latch. Install the cable into the bracket. Then install the plastic into this bracket right here. Then put the hood latch in position. Pull this cable down and into this little bracket. Put it in the bracket right here. And we're going to grab our two little clips, open it up, install it onto the cable. Push it into the hole. Do the same thing on the top one. Install the bolts into the hood latch. And then snug them down. Install the clips back into the grill. There should be 4, we only have 2. Reinstall the 2 harness connectors. Install the air box. Two 10mm bolts. Snug those down. Pull the fender liner back. Reinstall the clips. There's one more Phillips head right in the bottom. then we'll put in our 2 clips. Install the wheel back on the car. Put on your 5 lug nuts. Snug them down. Torque your lug nuts in a star pattern to 100 foot-pounds. Let's test the functionality of the new cable. Close the hood. It's locked. Go inside of the car, pull the handle, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.